Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can download apps and how to add payment option on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing what you want to do is you want to go to your app store, and on the app store you want to click on the top right, and then you want to click on your Apple ID again, and here it'll load for a while. So after it loads, ask for a Face ID. Then what you want to do is you want to click on manage payments. Not here, I misclicked. So manage payments, and here you can add in your credit card, PayPal details, also your numbers, and you can also add in your billing address. As you can see, there's already an Apple Pay Cash in my account, so it shows up here, found in my wallet. You can click that, or you can also click on other payment methods. So this is it for how you can add payment methods in Apple ID. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions or comments, leave it on the drop box below. It's me, Elise, signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.